want to hear what he says.
Omugongo.
He's complaining of back pain.
Omugongo. Pastor nsabireko. Omugongo.
This man has a lot of pain in the back. He says he's doing very badly. He wants Pastor Yiga to pray for him so that he can be relieved of the pain.
The
truth is, this man is going through a lot of pain. He feels he has pain. The pain is killing him. Just as the grace of the Lord has touched others, let us pray that it comes on him as well. Let us see what the man of God is going to do for this patient. He's crying of backache. He can't sit. He can't stand. But as Jesus of Pastor Yiga does mighty things, let us believe that he's going to work for him as well. What happened to the stomach? Even the stomach is sick. What is it? He's my grandfather.
Oyo musajja wa ku kyalo mbeeranga uwenga ndya emiyembe emichungwa ffene.
I used to go to his compound to eat fruits.
Kati lumu nali siriiwo.
Then one time I was not around.
Nga nze atera okugenda akola ki okumugirayo emiyembe alyeko
I used
ffene.
to go pick for him
Nali ntambuddemuko.
mangoes and jackfruit from the
Abazzukulu be
trees.
bona baali tebaliiwo baamulekawo.
And his grandchildren were not at home. They left him.
Kati musajja wattu mukwekaka nnyo ogenda walapo omufeneesi.
So he tried to go to the jackfruit tree to get jackfruit.
Yakozesa amadaala.
He used a ladder.
Kati amadaala gaseera musajja wattu n'agwa wansi n'akola
The ladder
kinamenyeko
tripped. He
omugongo.
fell down and broke his back.
Kuva ku olwo
Since then,
paka nakati
up to now,
tatambula,
he does not walk.
tayimirira,
He does not stand.
tatuula.
He does not sit.
Eyebaka bwebasi
He
bw'atyo.
just lies down just like that.
Lumu nali ku TV awo ku sente waffe.
One time I was on TV
Nendaba pulogulaamu ya Pastor Yiga.
and I watched Pastor Yiga's program.
Nenga ne mbuuza Muzeeyi.
I asked this old man,
Muzeeyi olinayo ku bukokokoko tubutundeko
I
tugende wa
asked him,
Pastor
do you
Yiga
have
atusabireko.
some chicken we sell? We got Pastor Yiga, he prays for you.
Tomanya oyinza owonera eyo.
He said, you never know, you might get healed from there.
Kuba lumu namugamba lumu nange nali ntudde awo ku senta.
Because one time I was there in the center
Yawona omusajja omulema.
and I saw you healing a lame man.
Omusajja nayimuka n'atambula.
The man got up and stood up and walked.
Nange nzize wano eno.
I've also come here today
Jjajja wange we bambi Pastor muyambe.
so that you can help this grandfather.
Atambule,
He
tuddeyo
walks,
ng'atambula.
we go back when he can walk on his own.
Genda amuwonya Pastor.
And I know you're going to heal him, Pastor.
Okkiriza nti ekyo Mukama asobola
Do
kikola.
you believe that God can do that?
Asobola kiwonya musajja wa Katonda.
Glory
Yes,
to
he can do it,
Jesus.
man of God. Yes. Zoom
Era
in.
buli muntu ompya oli waddembe okujja n'olaba amagulu
Every new
g'omusajja.
person in this place, you are free to
N'omugongo
come
gwe,
and see his
n'olubuto lwe.
legs. You see his back, you see his hand, you see his,
Ebigere byazimba,
the feet are swollen,
gonna gagongobala.
he's sort of paralyzed or crippled and whatever you want to call it. That's what it is.
Kitegeeza mukkiriza.
Today they believe.
Glory to Jesus.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Sebo, ki ky'osaba Mukama akuwonye akukolere?
What do you want God to do for you today?
Njagala Mukama Pastor ansabire mpone omugongo bwe naaba mponye Pastor bwe mba mponye Pastor muweeko ku kibanja kyange.
He says, Pastor, I want you to pray for me. I get healed. And once I'm back on my feet, I'm going to give you part of my land.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Father.
Mubenzi ensabire ono yasoose.
From those that have been praying for, he's the first one.
Wonderful.
Yacheyogeredde.
Ebyewuunyisa tebiggwa Kawaala.
Wonders are always at Kawala. omwami yetemye
The man has pledged
n'agamba Musumba Yiga bw'amusabira
that once
n'ayimirira
Pastor Yiga prays for him and he's back on his feet,
bw'amusabira n'atambula
if he prays for him and he's fine,
ku kibanja kye
that from his piece of
agenda
land,
kumutemerako
he's going to
ettaka.
give him part of it.
Katonda nga waali omulamu,
As God is alive,
Katonda nga waali
as
omukulu,
God is
nga
wonderful,
batukkiriza mu Yesu wa
as
wano,
we believe in Jesus of
leka
God,
ekisa kya Katonda kikke,
let the grace of the Lord
tulabe
come down
obweyamo bw'omusajja
and
ono.
help the pledge of
Glory
this
to
man.
Jesus.
Hallelujah.
laba nkuteekako empeta eyo.
See, I put this ring on you.
Nkuteekako empeta eyo.
I put this ring on you.
Njagale Mukama
I want God
ayingize amaanyi
to penetrate
mu
power
bulamu bwo.
through your life.
I command that backbone
Ndagira ogwo omugongo eryo gumba ly'omugongo
be healed.
okuwonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa.
This backbone,
Guno omugongo guno
I command it.
gulagira,
I command it
ndagira omugongo guno
to be healed.
okuwonyezebwa,
To be healed.
okuwonyezebwa,
Be healed.
wonyezebwa,
And I
wonyezebwa.
command pain to
Era
go.
ndagira obulumi bwonna okubulirawo
To go.
amangu ddala
In the name of
mu linnya lya
Jesus
Yesu
Christ.
Kristo omwana Katonda omulamu.
You are free.
Owonye,
You try.
gezaako olabe,
Try to stand up.
gwe weegezese, gezaako oyimirire.
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo,
Jesus is here.
Yesu ali wano.
He started to get power.
Ebyalema,
Look. Look. Look.
ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutire Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutire Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutire Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutire Mukama oyo. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutise Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo. Ayaya, ekitiibwa n'ettendo bimutire Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo. Oh, ekitiibwa n'ettendo kimutire Kabaka. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo. Ayaya, ekitiibwa n'okwebaza bimutire Mukama. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo. Ayaya, wonyeza abalwadde ekitiibwa Mukama gwe kimutise. Ekitiibwa n'ettendo. Ayaya, ekitiibwa kimutise. Oh, ekitiibwa kimutire. Oh, ekitiibwa Taata kimutise. Ekitiibwa Yesu kimutise. Awonyeza omulwadde kitiibwa kimutire. Atambuza omusajja kitiibwa kimutire. Ngolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. We jangolabe Tata byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. We jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Abagumba abazaala bakasiru boogera, abalema babuukabuuka. Jangolabe ekireka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakoleka. Iye jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. We jangolabe Tata kyakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, iye jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Bakasiru boogera bakigala bawulira, abalema babuukabuuka. Jangolabe ekireka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. We jangolabe Tata kyakoleka wala, jangolabe Yesu byakosa Musumba Yiga. Jangolabe Yesu byakoleka wala, iye jangolabe Yesu ekiri wano